Hello student, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh, our YouTube channel. So we are studying biology. Biology is we are studying the improvement of the food resources. In improvement of food resources, we had studied the cattle. Now we will discuss about the poultry farming. So here is the poultry farming. Poultry farming. Poultry farming. Poultry farming means that it involves rearing of domestic fowl. Okay. It involves rearing of domestic fowl for production of egg and chicken. Productions of egg and chickens. Domestic fowl is egg and chickens meat. What is chicken meats? So what will we do? Chicken meats. So it's required. So therefore, improved poultry breeds are developed. Okay. So improved poultry breeds are developed. Improved poultry breeds are developed. So we are developing improved poultry breeds in which are developed. Okay. So and farm to produced and farm to produce layers of eggs and boilers for chicken or meat. Boilers for meats. So these poultry farmings are boilers for meats. So for improvement of the poultry breeds, okay, cross breeding is done successfully between. Okay, for this one things, for these cross breeding is done successfully. Means that cross breeding means there's a different variety, different species and different Indian or Indiana varieties, and thus that is a local variety, and the foreign variety we are using here. So Indian or indigenous. Example, Asil Indian or indigenous genus. Example here, Asil. Asil. Or Asils, and foreign or exotic and foreign, or we can say exotic, like a Leghorn. Example, Leghorn, exotic or Leghorn varieties or breeds are used. These cross breeding programs focus to develop desirable traits. Okay, these programs are desirable traits. Desirable develops. We have for this one things we are doing. Okay, desirable traits we are develops for like first condition. Suppose that we are giving the first condition which types of desirable traits, quality and quantity. Okay, for quality and quantity, that is number of chicks. Quality or quantity, that is number of chicks, is developed here. Okay, dwarf chicks, dwarf chicks for commercial developments. Dwarf chicks for the commercial developments. We are commercial productions point of view. Summer adaptations means summer adaptations. So, summer adaptation. Summer adaptations means that adaptations for the high temperatures and so that it can they can survive and give the high quality of the productions for the summer adaptations. In the summer seasons, the temperatures become high. So in these conditions, these chicks are fowls cannot survive well, and it's create a problems. Different types of the problems is creating. So on these one things because it's it's tolerable for the summer and high temperature. So it's a summer adaptations will be and. And also maintenance requirements, low maintenance. It requires low maintenance for low maintenance. Low maintenance means that if you have to use more tools, techniques and medicines and also proper carings and maintenance, it will provide it will gives a problem to us, and thus it will require more efficiency of economy and also management and different things, tools, techniques and their orders, and these all things required, then it will not give the more profit. So for more profitable, low maintenance required some chicks should be developed in this area. So okay, so for this one thing, uh, okay, and fourth is reductions of more egg laying birds, more egg laying birds. Okay, egg laying birds with the ability to utilize more fibrous and cheaper diets. Okay, fibrous and cheaper diets. Fibrous and cheaper diets, that means if we are giving the fibrous and cheaper diets, it will not take the more cost, and so cost will not be provided more, so it will be helpful for us. So this diet is formulated using the agricultural byproducts. So as these are fibrous and cheapable diets are produced in agricultural byproducts. So we are using it in day in day hours, and so productions will be high, and each cases these productions only for the eggs and chickens meats. So for these one things, egg and chicken meats, we have to provide such facilities, such environments, such tools and techniques and management, doing the such management so that it can give the more profit, less management, less feeds and less economy. Investment of economics so becomes low, so it should be low so that we can gain more profits, and it motivate us and also promotes all the poultry farmers so that they can use a huge number of the poultry farmings, and there's these and increase in a number of the poultry farmings, increase and develop the more productions, so that it can fulfill our requirements of the eggs and chickens meats. So for this these requirements we are doing these all things. So one by one we will discuss egg and the boiler productions, how do we produce eggs, and the boiler productions and its management. So we will discuss here, and on the basis of the cost and its transportations, markets by loose, and its meats quality and quantity of the meats, and these are shape, size and the differences means we have to discuss one by one. So we had here discussed that that's the egg production. So as we know, that's a poultry is increasing and the most advanced developed technology in the whole world. So whole world is doing this poultry farming, because previous days there was the mines who is completely near about the if we are talking about the Indian peoples, near about the Indian peoples are nearly depend on the herbivores. They are generally hops, but now today's in the modern times and the modern generations, they are completely depend on the meats and flesh. So either that would be a fish flesh, or that would be a poultry chicks or fowls, or stump flesh, or piggery farmings. Or we are also in a foreign cultures, we know that in a foreign cultures that the person is using the cattle flesh. These are cattle flesh are some huge demands in the foreigns, because it's easy, durable, and cheaper. So they are demanding most, because those countries are such countries where the temperature is at very low. So it's a requires, because of wines and these types of the flesh is required in those countries. So India is the such a country where these things environment, where the environment is such that we can produce and the productions will be increases. So thank you very much, and next time so we will discuss about these productions. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.